Did you guys hear that? It's Tow Truck Friday. Hey, it's the hottest tow truck lady in the world.
And I've got the hottest deals too.
What did you bring me?
Well, I know you needed some things for your son's toolbox to build, so I brought the Quins in standard metric at 40% off. And I heard you mention on your channel that you were doing the giveaway if you were subscribe and comment. Hashtag icon for the win. So I figured you needed the prize too.
That's right. And if you share hashtag icon for the win across X, TikTok, or Instagram and tag me at Fixin Stuff YT, you'll get a bonus entry.
You know it.
Are you subscribed?
Yes.
That's awesome. Well, I guess I'll take all of it. What do I owe you?
$308.84.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's pretty cheap, actually. That's a pretty good deal. Here's my Harbor Freight card. I want the 0% interest on that, too.
Awesome. Have a happy Tool Truck Friday.
Oh, I will. Now all I need is for my viewers to subscribe and comment hashtag icon for the win and be entered to win this giveaway. And if you share it, we get to our 1,000 subs faster. Now we got to go get ready for Friday Night Lights. Son's got a football game.
Yes.